Hello everyone, I'm wearing the 7x8 upgrade Courtney human hair topper with pre-cut layers. In this video I'm going to showing you how I changed a little bit the base so it fits more comfortable and I can wear it all day. And also I'm going to bringing her to my hairstylist to give her a small haircut. So here's what she looks before I bring her to the hairstylist. And here's what she looks after. And here is the upgrade Courtney hair topper after I went to the hairstylist and my hairstylist restyled it a little bit. So he cut just a little bit from the length. So it is not that long anymore and it blends better with my bio hair. He just cut a few more layers into it, and also he made it a little bit shorter, so now it blends really well with my bio hair. So let me show you real quick what changes I made to the base so it is more comfortable and it's also suitable for my progression of hair loss. So I removed the two front clips here and I just moved them a little bit back. Now I have this halo wire that I put myself, and you can order this kind of halo wire from UniWigs, from their website, and then just for example put it where the first clip is, attach it to the clip or just sew it to the base after you adjust it. I add my own halo wire to all of my toppers, and I do that just to be able to wear them because this is a smaller base. That is true. I have toppers that are larger base, that are 8x8 inches, and still here in front the two clips are irritating for me, and just removing them and adding a halo wire makes a huge difference. So that is how now I changed this base in order to be able to wear it without any problem. So now I'm going to show you how I put it on. I make a small ponytail, but I leave a little bit here at the back, at the nape. So I would like to put the halo wire between two layers of hair. So I make a small ponytail and I leave a little bit of hair here at the back. So then you just take your topper. So you can either just do like this and put it on top, and then just find the halo wire here and slide it under the small ponytail that you just did between the two layers. The other way is just to dive into it as you would do if, for example, you're putting a wig on, like something like that. You just bend your head like this, and then you pull the halo wire between those two layers of hair that you did earlier. Then you're just going to adjust it, place it where you want it to be, and then release the ponytail, the hair, release the hair. Then take this kind of comb, rat tail comb, and then you can just start taking out your hair to the front. And then you're just going to, as you would a normal topper, just clip your clips. I think that this mono top, it's giving structure to the topper and to the base, and it's really suitable for someone with not very strong hairline as mine, for example. So I can make this very cute ponytail without the topper pulling or tugging on my bio hair and without any discomfort. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!